Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. Today I would like to share how I make my fura with this simple method which will keep your fura very soft and fresh for days. I use this method and it keeps my fura very fresh and soft for days, and I hope you like it. As I always say, no long talk biao, okay. But before I start, I would like to say thank you to Sweet Achele, Obapa's Kitchen, Nanaba's Kitchen, Mrs. Jury, Dakti for you, and Sue's Palo. They are all amazing YouTubers who showed me nothing but love and support, and I really appreciate it. Let's keep popping, okay? Anyway, I have 2 cups of millet flour. I'm using the red one, but you can use the normal gray one, and a pinch of salt. This is a mixture of blended ginger, black peppercorn, chili powder, and cloves. But if you have the powdered one, great, you use that one. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and let's keep popping with yumminess. Let's get started. I'm adding the salt to my millet flour, and then I'm going to stir the mixture, the blended mixture, and then add to the flour gradually, because I'm going to mix the flour in a creamy texture. So to get the creamy texture I'm going for, I'm going to be adding the blended stuff gradually. Yeah, so it's all done. I've gotten the texture I'm going for. Now I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and then cook it on medium heat to get a dough form. Yeah, perfect texture I'm going for. Yeah, so now I'm going to cook it like the way we cook our banku. Just make sure you turn it, stir it frequently so that you not get any lumps in it. And this will take you about 7 to 10 minutes to cook thoroughly and cook nicely. Yeah, so it's done, it's cooked nicely. I'm transferring it into this bowl. Now I'm going to roll it and then shape it in a round shape. Yeah, like this. Now I'll coat it with my millet flour. But if you don't have the millet flour, you can use normal flour to coat it with it so that it will keep it looking fresh. Yeah, you do this because you are not going to use oil. I'm not going to use oil, so this will keep the millet looking fresh and cute. Okay. Yeah, so it's all done. I'm going to blend the one left. Yeah, so I've blended it with my whole milk and sugar. I'm going to serve it with my roasted peanut, but you can have it alone and the taste is amazing. I hope you will try your hands on it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss my new uploads. Till next time, peace.